Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the language model for your conversations on Duck AI. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Duck AI, for example via DuckDuckGo web browser or any other web browser. And here on Duck AI what you want to do is navigate to the given chat, or you start a new chat, that's up to you. Let me go with this example chat here. So at the bottom you will see the text field. Here you may enter your prompt or command or a question. And before you press enter to send it or click into this arrow button here, you may select your language model. To do that, guys, what you want to do is, let me show you how to do it. You will need to click into this button here at the bottom of the last or most recent response or reply given by Duck AI. It looks like this here, switch model, and select the model from that list here. As you can see, not all language models are available for my account level, but you can browse through that list and select the one you would like to go with. If you start a new chat, you won't see that double arrowed icon or button here. Instead, you will see the switch language model here to the right, which is set to GPT-5 on default, but you may click into that bottom to adjust or set another default language model, or use the shortcut Control-Left-Shift-M to access that model from here. And after that, the language model will be applied to your entire conversation, unless, of course, you switch in the middle of the conversation by using this button here. And from that moment on, all future responses will be held within the selected or changed language model. Guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.